Hey family, welcome to Live and Gather. Star here, and today we are doing a all-white surprise birthday dinner for my mother-in-law. The inspiration for this dinner is Dinner in Blanc, which is a worldwide event that takes place in different cities where the guests wear all white and picnic in beautiful places around the world. So we are in Delaware, where we are at this gazebo in the park. We're about to prepare a white tablescape for the party, and the guests were instructed to wear white. So I will show you how we set everything up and the reaction of our guests. So I decided that I wanted to make my own centerpieces. So here, Chanel and I are just taking these tall vases that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, and we filled them with tissue paper. That actually was an improvisation because the way that I tried earlier didn't work, and I wanted to add some height, so we just used white tissue paper to stuff them. And then we got some stems from Trader Joe's, roses, hydrangeas, and just greenery to add into the arrangements. We thought these were cute and quick as we made them like right before the party started. Okay, now on to setup. We rented tables and chairs from a local rental company in Delaware, and of course with the theme, we wanted them in all white. Look at this charger plate. I think it's super classy. This is so cute. Isn't this cute? I love a nice charger plate. I got these charger plates from eFavorMart. I'll leave a link to them in the description box below. And I also got these really pretty high-end disposables. I'll leave a link to those as well. Using CONVOKINS is our conversation starter. This video is sponsored by CONVOKINS, our favorite icebreaker in the net. Traditional gender roles do you disagree with?
Uh-oh. This is definitely CONVOKINS.
Let's see.
That's a very traditional.
Yep.
Traditional gender roles do I disagree with?
Very touchy.
I'm going to say that the woman should do the laundry because I don't do the laundry often.
I plead the fifth.
You can't play the fifth, but I just said that you do the laundry more than I do. So.
Well, if you disagree with them.
Well, I'm saying that I disagree with women should, like, the woman is responsibility to do laundry.
Full disclosure, we both hate doing laundry, but
We both hate doing laundry.
somebody's got to do it.
David does it.
Question is, what business would you like to start? I'm definitely a very creative person, but I've never made like merchandise with my art before. So like to make t-shirts with my artwork on it, or to make prints with my artwork, or mugs with my artwork on it.
So now you done put it out in the universe, you gotta start doing it.
It'll happen. I just don't know when. So that's a business I would like to start. Yeah.
This video is also sponsored by Rose Forever, where you can get a box of roses that last a year. They come in a variety of sizes as well as colors. I chose white roses in a pink box because our birthday girl's favorite color is pink, but you can get them in different colors and in different shaped boxes. You can also get $20 off by using my code in the description box. I really loved how this dinner party turned out. It was a beautiful evening, a beautiful day to commune with our family. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to this channel below. Let me know what you think about this party setup in the comment section below, and make sure you give this video a like. And until next time, love, Star.